Hey troopers, today I'm here wearing my bulletproof jacket just to go well with my today's recipe on no chicken in the kitchen. Have you ever heard of bulletproof coffee? Well, it is actually sort of a messed up situation because I have given up on coffee until the day I heard about this recipe, and that was at a restaurant in Vegas when I first tried it, and it is the bomb. So if you're trying to give up on coffee, don't try it because it is amazing. Otherwise, you have to try it because you will love it. Okay, so here's the story behind the bulletproof coffee. Dave Spray, an American businessman, he goes to vacation to Tibet, and then in 2009, after he comes back, he decides to sort of reinvent the recipe based on the amazing drink he had while on vacation, and then that was how he came up with the bulletproof coffee. However, the original recipe calls for butter, and since we're vegan and we don't use animal sources of any kind, we reinvented the recipe once again. And since he brought the recipe back to America, it seems like this is the new must-have coffee. But why? What makes this coffee so special? Well, it involves in special coffee beans, which is free of pesticides and free of toxins, and also very low with mold or no mold at all. And the good thing of it is that it's also really high in MCT, which means medium chain of triglyceride. I don't even know if I'm pronounced that correctly. So I'm gonna put it right here so you know what I'm talking about. In all honesty, I don't really care how to pronounce that. All I really care is that it promises to increase energy during high performances. How amazing is that? And another good thing is that for you who's been fighting against your weight, it has proven to keep your hunger away. Now, the question here is, what makes it so special and nutritional? So here it goes. The main difference between this coffee and your regular coffee is that you're no longer going to be consuming just a bunch of caffeine in a cup with a non-dairy milk that honestly has no much of nutrition value to offer. And here it goes, a simple recipe of your new way of drinking coffee in the morning. Or maybe you can even use this coffee as your new pre-workout. Okay, so no more talking, let's go straight to the recipes and to the ingredients. First thing you need, coffee. Remember, fair trade, organic, no mold. That will make a huge difference in the final product. And then the second ingredient you need is coconut oil. Same thing, go organic, unrefined, and cold pressed. Better product, it will make a huge difference. And then last but not least, you will need some hemp seeds. This will make it really delicious and yummy. And then for the next step is gonna be completely up to you. Either if you like iced coffee or hot coffee, your call, you make the decision. I personally like iced coffee better. I live in California, always hot. We use it as a pre-workout. It gets more attention a little better. So what I do is I keep my coffee in the refrigerator overnight, and then the next morning I have a really refreshing bulletproof coffee. So here's the thing, guys. If you have your morning routine stopping at a coffee shop on the way to work, you still can do that. Just buy a regular coffee. You can have one of these in your office. It's very little, costs absolutely nothing. It's $14 for a blender, and you can make this at work. Because we're talking about 3 ingredients nutritional coffee that will keep your hunger away for a long period of time in the morning, and that will help you a lot. I'm just gonna put 10 ounces of coffee first. Since this coffee that I've been using is a concentrate coffee, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put 8 ounces, and I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut milk, so it top it up to 10 ounces, and then the second ingredient comes along. And then for the second ingredient, don't freak out, because we're talking about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I know it sounds a lot, but coconut oil is very healthy, and you can take literally up to 2 tablespoons a day. And then for the third ingredient, we're gonna add the hemp seed, which has a lot of fat acids, and it is also amazing for your health. And now we're just gonna blend it. I have everything right here. Show it to you guys soon. Bye. Okay guys, so here's the final result. It looks beautiful, it smells delicious. I haven't tried it yet, and I'm gonna try it right now. I always go with a straw just because I love my white smile. And let's see. It is so good, and it tastes amazing. It has no sugar, no sweetener whatsoever, and I totally recommend it. Again, remember, you can take those 3 items to work, just a small blender, and this can be your specialty coffee in your office. I really hope you guys like this video. I hope to see you guys next weekend. Bye bye.